back. So today I'm going to unbox this one's the ROEDIX compressed air duster with a 3-speed 100,000 RPM keyboard cleaner electric air duster for a computer. Replace your compressed air can because those cans are pretty bad for the environment. And this is cordless, reusable with the 6,000 milliamp Henry rechargeable batteries. And it also comes with a fast charging cable with a different attachment. And this one has a brushless motor, which uses less energy, and the motor lasts longer. It also has a LED light built in. By the way, you could also use this for a wide variety of your swimming pool toys, inflator, floater, blow-ups, and rings. You could also use this for cleaning your car, your PC tower, or any other household cleaning as well. And this also can help your barbecue charcoal, try to get it going. This is convenient and portability, great values, and good quality. By the way, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you can check out this item out. And I'd like to give a shout out to Lucky from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. And right here is the product description. This is the AD33. You can also use this as a vacuum bag to store your clothes or your blankets away. And a swimming ring. Inflate air mattress. Vacuum air mattress to suck out the air out. For your home, car, computer, or your main board. And here's the kit or attachment that comes with it. It is made in China. Here is the user manual guide. Go ahead and check it out. So these two are the long attachment, and then the other ones with the brush. And they got more attachment right here. So these two are the used for vacuum. And this is for like blow up like toy rings, floater, anything that you have. And this one is the USB Type A to Type C fast charging cable. Come with a nice bag. Could put all your attachment in there. So this is the tangerine color. It's a 4 LED right here for the battery indicator. And this is the gear selection. Right here is the LED. And right here is the power switch. Also with the LED indicator. So there's a LED indicator right there, and USB Type-C charging port right here. So if you want to work as an air duster, you could put attachment like this, this, and this. Okay. And if you want to use as a vacuum, you would need to put this attachment right here on the back, because air is going to suck in from here and then blow it out there. So if you have those vacuum seal bag, you can use this. So let's go ahead and test it out. So you gotta slide this switch up. Wow. Wow, that is pretty strong. So for example, if you have a dust around the keyboard, need to blow it out, just turn it on. And for fully charged, take about 2 hours to charge the battery. And the working times run up to like 32 minutes. Depends on the speed. If you put on higher, then it's gonna get less time, okay? So I got this dirty fan, whole bunch of dust over there. I'm gonna try to see if I could blow it out. Normally you want to do it outside, but for demonstration purpose, I'm going to do it inside the house. And you could also use this air compressor to clean your refrigerator coil, which is on the bottom and on the back of the fridge. Oh, see, that thing is gone already. Well, yeah, I'm going to do this outside. I don't want to do it inside here. And you could also clean this keyboard. Very dusty, so and if you have a clock van or anything, like this is the computer tower, you can use it to clean it. So imagine this is a vacuum bag. Okay, to blow it up. And if you want to vacuum it, just use the back. Okay. So yeah, I was blowing the dust out of those stairs. And look at how much dust it blows it out. And hair. So now I gotta vacuum it. I was blowing the under this freezer. Look at all those crumb, hair, and the dust lint I picked up. It's a whole bunch of on this side. And look at that. And I got this blow up couch. You can use this. You need to use this one, attachment. You got it inside in there. And then turn it on. And for the bigger hole, you need to use this attachment, see, for faster blow up. Well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.